Welcome to Owen Allen Media. It's Melanie. So, Vybz Kartel made a surprise appearance at Boom Boom's Uptown Mondays, performing his latest hit song, Amout, live for the very first time. Following his recent success at Freedom Street, the world boss seems unstoppable, with bookings pouring in from every direction. Check out Kartel's epic Amout performance and see why he remains a dominant force in dancehall after Beanie Man flop on stage recently. Beanie Man should know when to just come down.
Everybody mind that. Matsus, me check say still out a scared them. Where are they as now? What is sound that me doing? What is sound that me doing? Amout. When me ever do with bad man, get them. When me do with some tight old girl skinner, no Caspi business. We just not carry. Then you know what these girl a choke goat, no doubt. Me do it for banker cloud, them a do it for the crowd. She see the duffel bag, she want do it for she mouth. Hey, stop watching girl boy, real fishy mouth. Me want be richie, ypree, richie house. Yes, you have to take the crown, you have a way, which is how. Lift up the eagle and mayday, push him down. Even done. Take missile drop, 30 more still in bound. So stop, you don't want no eye man. Me not see this circus, they even blind killing clown. And if you're this thing, don't take check, will it bounce? Kings and lyrics the ship, watching with him owns. What is sound that me does? What do you ever do with bad mind? What we do with some tight old girl? No Caspi business, me just knock around. Then you know what the is girl a choke goat. Magician, the rumor play a trick plan me. Police pull me over and me fifth charge this. See them pull me over is a discharge this. Two of me run the place I think a king shot. The white girl want me dick and get a big fat kiss. Me kick back about a big fat split. Box use a fake body, that's it, plastic. You know all I am, locksmith, black, look. Cock up is a 10, upskin, that's it. Oh wow, athletic, that's gymnastic. Give me cock a big fat split, that's it. Yuck, what the sound that me knows? What they ever do with bad man? Get them out. What we do with some tight? Get them out. No Caspi business, because now. Then you know what is gonna choke good. Amout.
Danger! Hold on. Indo get her back. Everything alright. Yeah, she get her back, teacher. Heart of love. Jaja no heart of love. Yeah, man, on behalf of Town Mondays on the street, million thanks, because we can't pay you for this. You hear that? Remember me?
So give forward to the people, them, because them make who we are. No? Oh?
About millions of dollars US charge here, show me any pump couple well. I'm going to tell them what go on. Heart of love. You don't know people, Kartel have to take on the road, because I'm a support silver. You see? Up a 420, but I'm Town on this ball game. I can go on.
Before we leave here for journalists, you see bad man and corruption for 2025. My father, hey Lord, kill them all and do, kill them all and do, all right now.
Thank you for watching. Again, I'm Melanie here at Owen Allen Media. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next time.